Hello. You pay and then sit.
Hi.
Thank you. Myself, Yubeta. Today we'll learn counting, paying taxes, and how to save your money from capital punishment.
I'm looking for a small business accountant for my business. Am I the only one here?
My job to make complicated easy and make easy complicated. That is how I pay.
Oh, you mean to say that is how you pay?
That is what I said. I pay. Who's counting? Me counting or you counting? Different type of taxes.
Oh, different type of taxes?
Yes, that is what I said. You can befriend them if you want to. Same thing. You have income tax, corporate tax, national insurance taxes, pension taxes, tension taxes, and Uber taxes that is about to leave the London. Today we focus on income tax. What do you kids like nowadays apart money, Netflix and social media?
Cycling. We like cycling.
Let's peddle that example. Let's say at the end of the month you get paid. In January you buy a seat of the cycle. In February you buy a frame. In March you buy a wheel. And by July you purchase a bike. The question I'm going to ask you is who owns the bike?
Of course it's my bike. I've even got the bell on it.
Ah, that's why they call me Yubeta, because I'm better than the rest of the accounting when explaining. Pre-tax, the bike is yours, but the moment you get taxed, this is what happens. Some of your money goes to national insurance contribution, others go to council tax, toll tax and defense tax. So what you're left with at the end is the wheel of your bike. If you spin this wheel slowly, you can play Wheel of Fortune. Or if you spin the wheel fast enough, you can wash your clothes at 70 degrees for 1 hour. Make sure to put some scent in it so your clothes smell nice like mine do. To save money, you do two things. You having a ISIS, if you have more than one, and you use the paper. Now, not to confuse your ISIS with your ISIS, you want one of them to go up and you want to eliminate the other out of the country. And the second thing you do is you balance this paper on your head. Take it, take it.
Sure, whatever.
Okay, looks like you can balance your own sheet from here on out. That part is free anyway, we don't charge for that.
I think you're wasting my time. That's exactly what you're doing. You're just wasting my time. That's why no one else showed up for your workshop.
Okay, no problem. This is why what I'm about to give away, you will appreciate very greatly. What I have for you is I have a brief sample of my ebook. Now you can take this one. Of course, this is only 300 pages. The actual book, if you want to buy, it will have to be shipped to you using a Titanic. And the actual book is just 3000 pages. Or if you're struggling, just Google account 10, you run, and it'll come up. At the end of the workshop, I asked you to smile for the camera and I record the testimonial. Okay? I aim to please.